Costar training, full Costar real estate demo. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Costar's powerful real estate platform, covering property research, analysis, and marketing. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which summarizes recent market activity, property updates, and saved searches. This is your starting point for all research activities. You also have here the properties tab, where you can search for properties by location, asset type, and building size. You also have here the analytics section, where it offers market reports, vacancy rates, and rental trends, giving you a comprehensive view of the real estate market. You also have here the marketing center, where you can create custom property reports, brochures, and listing presentations. In the comps tab as well, you can analyze recent sales and lease comps to determine market value and set competitive pricing. And lastly, you also have here the contacts tab to connect with property owners, brokers, and potential investors. Now, if you want to have your own demo of this website, you can just click on this get demo on their costarmanager.com website. And again, let's just click on demo and then wait for it. And then you have here the required fields that you have to fill out in order to receive your demo. So it's going to ask you your first name, your last name, your business email, and how many leases you have. Now you are going to have to apply for this demo before you can get it and test out this real estate manager by Costar and their training. And that is your Costar training and full real estate demo.